Yeah, eat it, Cookie Monster. He a slave to this pussy, call me Monster. Real wet, I said steppin' like a pasta. You get nervous when it's lucky on a roster. Somebody usher this nigga into a clinic. My flow still sick, I ain't talking the pandemic. I write my own lyrics, a lot of these.
Guys, I'm just gonna tell you guys this I started out with doing another color I wasn't feeling, so I had to go back and take that shit off because I didn't like it. So I don't know. So guys, I'm trying to just use this palette all in one. This is a very affordable palette. It's been out for a while. I just picked it up at my at a Ross. I was just shopping around, just looking, and I seen this baby and I had to pick her up. All the summer colors in there. I know summer is almost over, but your girl haven't did any makeup in a minute. Like, and you guys know my channel consists of multiple things, just not makeup. I'll go in. Well, I am going to go in with this color here. Okay guys, so I went on and just did I was just gonna like do one, but I went on and did a full wing liner. I want to go in with a color in between my eyes. Probably go in with this. Put a little bit more. Now I'm gonna put on my lashes first, and you guys already know I'm rocking my lashes, and I'm gonna rock, since this is already a dramatic look, why not? I'm gonna put on some dramatic lashes. The lash I will be rocking today is my Bunny Dramatics, because we being dramatic today, right? So if you like these type of lashes, go ahead and shop with your girl. The link would be down below. And let me just pop these babies on and I will be right back. I just want to show you guys very close up. They're very fluffy and thick. If you that type of girl that love that full thick type of lash, these are the lashes. I do wear, like, it depends, like, that's why I have different kind of lashes, because with me, I wear, and that's why I always wanted my lash business, because I wear all different types of lashes, so you guys can actually see me with the different styles I have as well, because baby, I'm not scared of any type of lash. Your girl is not scared, and it's like, it's different. I believe it's different times and places that you can, like if you want just to be dramatic, and like probably these I would wear if like it depends like where I'm going. Like I said, it all depends on where your girl going. Guys, I must mention I am rocking my edge scarf, you guys. Currently, well, I don't know if by the time y'all see this, I don't know if would I be restocked, but I'm getting it in black, so stay tuned for that. If you are interested in laying them edges, get your little sea bunny scarf. So yeah, so you guys, and I must say I don't wash it, so it's good. It's not gonna fade away or nothing like that, because I had got makeup on it previously, and yeah, so I gotta push it back so I won't get it dirty. I didn't really lay my edges like I normally do, so it don't really matter. So I gotta push this back, and yeah, we can continue.